Alright guys, so there are usually two main situations where your Discord account ends up deactivated. First one, you disabled it yourself. Second one, Discord disabled it for you. Let's start with the first case, self-disabled account. If you disabled your account, it's actually super easy to get it back. Just open Discord in your browser, type in your email and password, then hit login. You'll see a pop-up saying your account is disabled and you can't use it while it's like that. No panic, just click on the Restore Account button right under the Return to Login option, and boom, your account is back instantly. That's literally it. Now, on to the second case, account disabled by Discord. This one's a bit different. You'll need to appeal to Discord directly. Open any web browser, head over to the official Discord website and click on Support at the top of the page. From there, hit Submit a Request. In the What Can We Help You With section, open the drop-down and select Appeals and Age Update Requests. Now enter the email that's linked to your disabled account. Next, in the How Can We Help section, just like before, open the drop-down and select Appeal and Action Taken on My Account or Bot. Then, in What Would You Like to Appeal, choose an action taken on my account. For the subject line, type Appeal regarding my Discord account. In the description box, write your details. For example, can you please help me restore my account? Or explain the reason you believe your account should be reinstated. If you have any proof or relevant info, like the email Discord sent you, you can attach it in the Attachments section. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Once that's all done, hit Submit. Now just keep an eye on your email inbox for Discord's reply, and here's the important part. You must respond to their email within 14 days, otherwise your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it, you're done.